plus 1 over x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 over x plus 2. That second fraction, I'm going to flip it, and we're going to change sum to a multiply. So this becomes x plus 1 over x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 1. And that gives us this final result here. X plus 1, x plus 2 over x plus 2, x plus 1. Now I could at this point multiply out the brackets if I wanted to, but I've noticed something. Actually, we've got common things on top and bottom, and they cancel. Because x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 1, anything divided by itself is 1, I can eliminate that and give myself x plus 2 over x plus 2. But that's still two common elements on top and bottom. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1.